Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to create and run Android TV on your Windows PC. So with this method, you can run all your Android TV apps on your Windows PC. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, open any browser and search for Android Studio. Now, open the official Android Studio website and download Android Studio for Windows. So once the setup file is downloaded, just open it. The Android Studio installation wizard will now open up. Here, make sure Android Studio and Android virtual devices are selected. Now simply click on Next and complete the installation. Once installed, click on Finish. Now, Android Studio will open up for the first time. Just click on Next and choose the standard installation because it automatically installs the required Android SDK components and emulator files. Now accept these terms and conditions. Now, Android Studio will download and install all the required components. Once everything is installed, click on Finish. Now, we need to create the Android TV virtual device. On the Android Studio welcome screen, click on More Actions. Now, click on Virtual Device Manager and here click on Create a Virtual Device. Now since we want to create an Android TV, select the TV category. Now, choose Television 1080p. So this option will create a full HD Android TV virtual device. On the next screen, you can rename your virtual device. For example, I will name it Android TV. So you can keep any name, but remember this name because we will use it later in a script. Now, select the Android TV system image. Here you will see different Android versions. Android 16 is the latest available version for TVs. Once selected, click on the download icon next to it. Now wait until the system image is downloaded. Before finishing the virtual device setup, click on Additional Settings. So here, we will adjust a few settings to improve the performance and avoiding black screen issues. So first, go to the default boot. By default, it will be set to Quick. So if your emulator is working fine, you can keep it on Quick. But if you are getting a black screen or the Android TV emulator is not opening correctly, change it to Cold Boot. Next, go to internal storage and increase it to 32 gigs. So this will allow you to install as many Android apps as you like. For CPU cores, keep it at 4. So this is good for most computers and increasing it is not recommended unless you have a very powerful PC. Under RAM, set it to half of your available RAM. So as I have 8 gigs of RAM, so I will set this to 4. Once done, click on Finish. Now you will see your Android TV virtual device. Just click on the play button to start the Android TV emulator. Now, as you can see, my Android TV is stuck on a black screen. So to fix this, I will first close my virtual device. Once closed, click on these 3 dots and then click on the Edit button. In the additional settings, set the default boot to cold. Then click on Finish. A cold boot starts the emulator fresh instead of loading the previously saved state. Again, click on the play button to start the Android TV emulator. So this time, your Android TV will boot up and you can use it like a real Android TV device. So you can use any apps you choose and you can use your PC like an Android TV. Moving on, as you can see that your Android TV is currently running in a small window and there is no way to go into a full screen mode. So to fix this, we will run a small script. So again, open your browser and search for AutoHotkey. So open this first official link and download the latest available version. Once downloaded, install the Hotkey application on your Windows. Once installed, you will see this interface. For now, just close this. Now, go to your desktop and right-click on an empty area. Now click on New and then select AutoHotkey script. Now give this script a name. For example, I will name it Android TV. Once done, click Edit and then select Notepad. Now, we need to paste this script. So before pasting the script, we need to make a few changes here. So under the emulator path, we need to add your PC's account username. So to find your username, open My Computer. Now go to C drive and under users, you will find your username. For me, it's admin. Now go back to the script and replace the username with admin. Next, you need the name of your Android TV virtual device. So this is the same name that you have used while creating your Android TV virtual device. In my case, the name is Android TV. So use it in the script. So once all these three parameters are changed, just copy this script and paste it into your AutoHotkey notepad file. Once pasted, save this file. Now, we will run the Android TV emulator using this AutoHotkey script. So the script will start the Android TV emulator directly in your full screen mode. So once the Android TV emulator starts, you will automatically see a full screen mode. With this, you have successfully installed an Android TV on your Windows PC. You can now sign in with your Google account, open the Play Store and install Android TV apps. You can install streaming apps, media players, file managers, games, and other supported Android TV apps. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like these. I'll see you in the next one.